Hello everyone, I am Parker, and I will continue to open mind in the previous lecture. The first aspect pertains to the so-called normal middle-class families or families that are relatively well-off and not worried about their basic needs. Their expectation for their children is often the desire for them to excel and achieve great success in life. There is a saying that goes, "Don't let the children lose at the starting line," but the question is, what is this starting line? To be blunt, the starting line is the parents themselves. Have you as parents ever considered that the child's starting point originates from you? If the child fails, it is not their failure but yours. As parents, many parents fail to reflect on their conditions and constantly place their hopes, expectations, and demands on society and others. But today I must speak bluntly, if not you as parents, then who is responsible for the child's starting line? The child is born into your family, and it is from your family that they start to develop and move forward. How they progress and develop is influenced by the quality of education you provide. Many parents entirely shift this responsibility to society, schools, or teachers, which is entirely wrong. Although I mentioned earlier that a child's future and destiny belong to themselves and their life belongs to society, the education they receive and the education they should receive come from their parents. As parents, you must assist your children, otherwise what is the meaning of this family affection? What's the point of talking about family affection at all? Regarding the issue of children, I believe that as any parent, regardless of the environment and conditions, if you have hopes and expectations for your child's future, such as the desire for them to achieve great success, you should first examine and scrutinize your capabilities. The first question to consider is your knowledge. Do you possess enough knowledge to support your assistance and education for your child, and to uphold your hopes for them? The second question is, what kind of education do you want to provide for your child? Do you want your child to compete with others? What can they use to compete? Many people may argue that just because they didn't attend university doesn't mean they can't encourage their child to do so. However, that's not the point. What you leave for your child may not be specific knowledge, but you can instill in them the best thinking patterns. If you understand and can teach your child this thinking pattern from an early age, it becomes a habit, and then how could they not progress or meet your expectations unless your expectations are unrealistic dreams? Therefore, as parents, regardless of the conditions or reasons, you should be aware of this issue in your child's education. Specific knowledge can be taught by schools and teachers, but no one else can instill thinking patterns in them to truly help your child develop and improve. You must recognize the importance of a good thinking
tomorrow.